I've been using my old phone as GPS for my daily commute and off-road route guidance, but I'm switching for this dedicated motorcycle GPS, which not only navigates, it also has a dash cam and tire pressure monitor. This is another great value for money product, just like the 450MT itself. In this 6 minutes video, I will tell you how it compares with my phone setup, how I installed this GPS unit, and how to win this brand new giveaway Aoocci unit for yourself. Let's start with some key feature of this GPS kit. It's got a beautiful 6-inch touchscreen and has a great resolution. One of the issues of navigating with my old phone, in direct sunlight, I can barely see the screen, especially when wearing a smoke visor or sunglasses. As a comparison, this C6 Pro is very bright, even in the direct sunlight. The larger screen and icons also make it easier to operate while wearing gloves. So this is a big win for me. This particular model also shoots 1080 video from the front and the rear camera. To my surprise, the quality is quite crisp. Daytime footage is vibrant, the nighttime video is less than ideal but not a murky mess, and the HDR keeps things in balance. At 30 frames per second, the playback is quite smooth. It's not a 4K video quality and it's not a buttery smooth, but let's be real, as a dashcam, it can read license plate at the traffic light, which is enough for the evidence. Plus, it only sips power and take up less storage on the SD card. Turn the key and the camera fire up. It's always rolling when I'm running. Loops recording deletes all the clips, so I never stuck with a full SD card. In the case of crash or hitting a pothole, the G sensor locks the footage. It's another peace of mind. I also found I can use the rear camera as my rear view mirror. It has a 140-degree view, which is just enough to cover my blind spot. I'm actually confident enough to change the line without doing a head check. Riding a motorcycle means being exposed to the element. My old phone has a cracked screen and can't handle any water. It overheats in sunlight and drains battery like crazy in the cold. The reason I'm running my old phone and not using my main phone for the navigation is because I'm afraid I might lose it in a pothole or when riding off-road. Plus, the vibration have already damaged my phone camera. This is where a dedicated GPS unit shines. This unit is rainproof and dustproof, and it works from -10 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. Here is another point for the C6 Pro. For a GPS unit, navigation is obviously the most important feature, and here is where my phone regains its advantage. The C6 Pro has a built-in wireless Carplay and Android Auto, so you can use Google Maps for navigation. Also run your favorite music app and even answering and making phone calls, all accessible right on the screen. It also has a built-in GPS that tracks your location, showing speed and altitude, which is very helpful. I couldn't find the GPS refresh rate on the website, but it feels faster than my old phone, making it less likely to miss an exit on the highway or take a wrong turn on the trail. However, it doesn't have a built-in map. It purely relies on the mirror in your phone. So if you are going to somewhere without reception, make sure to download a Google Map offline, just like you would on your phone. Another downside is you can't use any other apps on the C6 Pro. For off-road riding, I'm currently using DMD2, which shows off-road tracks. It works offline and it can read GPX files from other people. That is not possible with the C6 Pro. Another nice feature is the tire pressure monitoring system. This gives a real-time tire pressure and temperature alert, something usually only found on the premium bikes. This is especially useful for adventure riding, where I change the tire pressure often. Finally, let's talk about price. This C6 Pro has dual camera and tire pressure monitoring system. It sells for $265 Australian after the discount. There's also a simpler version, the C3, which have core function of Carplay and Android Auto for 145 Australian dollar. It's a great value for the features. Full disclosure, Aoocci sent me this product for review, but I do have affiliate link that gives 22% off for all of my followers. I'm also giving away a brand new C6 Pro unit. You just need to leave a comment to enter. To be eligible, you just need to subscribe to the channel and physically be in Australia, so I can ship the prize to you. The winner will be drawn in 2 weeks' time after the video is published, so be sure to check the comment section to see if you won. So who is this GPS unit for? Well, it suits commuters who run their navigation daily and want a proof that the car cutting them off. It also suits adventure riders who don't want their expensive phone flying off on the highway or end up in the mud. Basically, anyone who wants a peace of mind without a hassle. And at this price, it's a very easy decision. Thank you for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to leave a comment for the chance to win the giveaway, and I'll see you on the next ride.